Take a ride in the 2018 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, front-wheel drive, power steering, keyless ignition, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, USB connection, power windows, power door locks, auxiliary audio input, remote trunk release, alarm, tire pressure monitoring system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.